And this is 8 cell 24 volt BMS, can get discharged with 60 amp and charging can accept 30 amp. Common port is charging or discharging. Okay, so here is the balance leads. The first negative is like negative to the cell, then upper 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, that total is 9 cables. So if you look like that, the connector straight, the first, this one cable is a negative, okay, here, and then the second voltage will be 3 6 9 12 15 18 21 24, something like that, just example I'm telling you. Okay, our cable is starting from black, is a 0, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and till to the last cable here, this one is number 9, or if you consider this one 0, so this is number 8. So total 8 cells configuration. So what we are going to do, we are going to make this cell in a U shape, like that. The reason is we not choosing that one, otherwise the positive and negative will be too much far. If we have that U shape, so our negative and positive terminal will be closer on the battery, so we do like that. Okay, put the cell first in parallel and leave it for a minimum 3 hours 4 hours, and after that verify the voltage. Okay, now it's time to assemble the pack here. Now we remove the tabbing and we have to verify the separately each cell voltage. Okay, put separate your nut and bolts. Okay, so will be easy for you to choose up and place it. This is 4p configuration. You see that 4 is negative, that 4 is positive, so we make like that 4 blocks on the top. So at the end we have here positive and negative closer. If we go for the long length, our positive and negative will be too far. So let's complete the other block. I am using now double washer. Okay, so the cell will be very properly hold up. Here is the another washer. Put washer first and tight it gently. Okay, the second one is complete. Now we will use the holders on the top. Okay, we have a saving here of the holder, we no need too many holders. If using the long, we need too many holders, but like that we no need too many. Okay, we just will put now holder on the top and then another pack. Again washers and tabbing, nickel strip, and let's tight the another one. The holder is here, so 1 2 3 holder right now. Our bottom of the battery, this is like we are going to series the cells. Okay, that is a 12 volt and it's coming to here 24 volt. For the balance lead, I keep out the nickel strip on the sides, you can see this one. So we will solder here our balance lead. Okay, the battery pack is complete. If you see, this is our negative, this is our positive. So let's verify the voltage. You can see is a 26.11 volt. So now we have to connect our BMS and we are going to check our the, like you see 3, that was first, that is second 6, that is third, and here is fourth, like a 12 volt. Then here is cable number 5, 6 and 7, and finally 8. Okay, The first we solder the balance lead, okay, one by one. Then we will verify the voltage here, and then we connect the BMS, and our battery is complete. I'm not gonna cut this wire length because in future I have to extend that battery back. Okay, the all balance lead now connected. The first is negative of this balance lead is here, and the last positive is here. So now we have the sequence is like this: uh, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, total 8 cells, right? So now we have to test the voltage here. Sometime if connector is not working good, so maybe you can get the problem. So we have to verify the voltage here. Let's check one by one. 3 6 9 13 16 19 22 and 26. Okay, the test is complete of the balance lead. Now we will connect the BMS. So here is the final look. This is the last lug which I installed, that is the top view. Okay, I separately connect this positive, this negative, I tape it, and here is the first negative, then first cell, second, third, and this is the bottom is number 4. This is a full one piece like that. Okay, it's like a series, the 12 volt, and number 5 6 and 7 8. So total 8 cell configuration, this one. Okay, so I will later this one nicely pack inside in the packing. When needed to upgrade, just will open it and add more cells. So this was the 24 volt, and let's check the final voltage. So here is the final voltage, 26.13, and that's our battery, 24 volt and 20 Ah, 8 cells, 4P configuration, that one. Okay, the battery is complete. This is the bottom view, and here you can see it's right now connected. That is the front view. This is negative, this one positive, and here we are connected in our power wall. The battery is 95% because it's a daytime, and 26.9 volt. So this was our battery which we using for our this inverter, just temporary, this one, the small battery, and also using 24 volt DC.